Okay, in this video, I'd like to show you just a really simple and easy way to look at series versus data frames in Pandas. So we're going to be coding in Python here in our Google Colab environment. And I just want to show you and tell you a little bit about the difference between these two things because as I was first getting started in data science, they were very confusing to me because it's kind of names that are both unfamiliar to what you would expect in data science. Okay, if you don't have experience in data science, they might mean different things to you. Okay, so we're going to look at just series versus data frame. Okay, two different devices of ways of organizing info here in Pandas within our Python code here. Okay, so first of all, what is a series? Okay, series, think of it kind of like a list. It's kind of like a fancy list in Pandas here. Okay, so it's a one-dimensional array. Okay, so it's just like a list. Okay, not quite the same thing. That's like a fancy list. It's basically a single row or column of information that you just took, and that's all you're looking at here. Okay, so again, that's why I say to think of it like a list. You're just listing out one set of information. Okay, that's a series. Okay, a data frame is different. Data frame has multiple dimensions. It's two dimensions. It's a table. Okay, it's got rows. It's got columns. Okay, think of it like your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, a data frame would be the spreadsheet. It's got rows, it's got columns. Okay, here's all of your patient information. Here's all their stats, okay, that you got from admitting them to the hospital. Okay, here's all of your transactions. Here's all the info for each transaction. How much did it cost? What time did it happen? Things like that. If you're in this Excel example, this Microsoft Excel example, think of a series as just one single row or column. Okay, so you just take all the price information or all the blood pressure from all the patients, or you take this row of info for one particular transaction. It's just one single thing. Okay, it's just one row or column, whereas a data frame is the whole thing. It's multiple dimensions. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we're just going to import pandas. We're not going to pull in any outside data. I'm just going to make some series and data frames here to show you what they are. Okay, so we'll just import pandas, and then we'll get started. Okay, so let's start it by looking at a series. Okay, so if you want to create a series using pandas, okay, we're going to call one penguin species. Okay, and we're just going to list some species of penguins that we might work with. Let's say we were doing some studies on, penguins and their locations and things, and these are the species we're looking at. Okay, so we're going to call it penguins_species. Okay, go ahead and equal. And then we do need to call pandas here. We do need the PD to say, hey, we're going to use pandas to do this. And we're going to use the .series method. Okay, and that's just basically saying, hey, in pandas, make a series. Okay, don't just make a list, don't make just an array. We want it to be a pandas series. Okay. Inside here, we have parentheses, and then there's really just two pieces of info that you have to put. The first one is in square brackets. You just have to put the names of all the stuff you want to have in your series. Okay, so for us, we're going to have the Adelie penguins, the Chinstrap penguins, and the Gen 2 penguins. Okay, so again, type that out. Put them in quotes, separate them by commas. There you go. You have that little list inside there. Then after you close your square brackets, okay, you need name equals, and then again in quotes, you can just name this series. You're basically just going to give it a name. We're going to call it species. Okay. And then whenever you show this penguin species, it looks like this. Okay, it shows you it's an object. Here you go. You've got species at the top. That's what we named it. And then here you go. These are our 3 penguin species that we made. There you go. There they are. You're ready to go. If we want to take a look and see what this is that we created, like did we actually make a series, you can just do a quick type, penguin series, and sure enough, it is a pandas series that you created. Again, it's one-dimensional. It's basically like a fancy list. It's like a list in pandas. Okay, it's one-dimensional. It's just listing out our species that we created here. You can have duplicates. You could have this have thousands of entries. For ours, we just made this simple 3 species series. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Okay, and that creates a series. Again, it's just kind of one row or column of data. You could then take this and put it into a data frame, do stuff with it, manipulate it in other ways. Okay, now looking at a data frame. Okay, to get a data frame, it's more than just that one row or column of data. It has 2 dimensions. So whenever you're working with that, you can't take a row or column or a list or anything like that. You need a table. Okay, think of again like Microsoft Excel. You've got that spreadsheet with the rows and the columns. That's what you need to make a data frame. Okay, so first of all is to make a data frame, you got to start out with a table. Okay, so we're going to have a table. We're going to call it penguin data. And we're just going to go ahead and open it here with our curly brackets. And we're just going to create our name column here. And we're going to just have 4 names. We're going to have John, Paul, George, and Ringo. Okay, so we're going to name our penguins after the Beatles. Okay, we're going to have another one. We're going to call it species, and we're going to have 2 Adelie penguins. That'll be John and Paul, and then George will be a Gen 2, and then Ringo will be a chin strap. Don't know why it seemed like the right thing to do when I was making this. And then lastly, we're going to age them. Okay, obviously the Beatles were older than this, but we're going to have John the Adelie penguin be 5. We're going to have Paul the Adelie penguin be 5. We're going to have George the Gen 2 be 7, and we're going to have Ringo the chin strap be 4. Okay, so all you do here is just create a table. Okay, just like you would in Python any other way. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this table. Notice it has multiple dimensions of data. It has rows and columns in it, and we're just going to make it into a Pandas data frame. So we're going to call our data penguins. Okay, this is going to be our new data frame. We're going to set it equal to pandas.dataframe, so pd.dataframe. Notice here, just like up top we had .series, it was capitalized. Okay, if you didn't catch that before, notice it's capitalized. Same thing here. Data is capitalized and frame is capitalized. One word, but data frame is capitalized. And then in parentheses afterwards, we're just going to pull in our penguin data, which is this data right here. And then we'll go ahead and show it. And again, all this is just like an Excel. It's just rows and columns showing this data from this table, but it puts it into a data frame, which is the Pandas object that you can do data science stuff with. Okay, it's better to work with. Okay, so again, name, here we go, John, Paul, George, and Ringo, right from our table. Species, Adelie, Gen 2, chin strap, right there from our table. And then age, 5574, they're right from our table. Okay, so again, super simple way to just make a data frame. Just start with a table and then do pd.dataframe, capital D, capital F, pull in your data, you've got a data frame there. Okay, and if you don't believe me or you want to double check, again, we could do a quick type. What is penguins? And it tells you that it is a Pandas data frame. So there you go. Okay, so once again, these 2 things are very simple. In Pandas and working with the Pandas library, doing data science stuff in Python, when you have a series, think of it as just one dimension of data. It's a row or it's a column. It's basically a fancy list. Okay, data frame, you've got multiple dimensions of data. You've got rows, you've got columns, you have an X and a Y axis sort of thing here. Not necessarily in graph form, but think of it something up and down, something going left and right, 2 dimensions. And again, it's like a table. It's just a fancy table that Pandas can work with here. Okay, so hope you learned something there. Hope you know the difference now, or at least a little bit difference between Pandas series and data frames. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos on data science, and have a fantastic day.